if I told you that the very thing you love about trading are the exact reason you are blowing up your accounts? When I first started, I loved the freedom, no boss telling me what to do, no set hours, and infinite upside. But that freedom turned into a nightmare. Without any rules, I didn't know how to handle a loss. I would experience an intense wave of self doubt and the revenge trading, trying to force the market to give me my money back. I was trapped into a vicious cycle until I felt like giving up entirely. Then I read chapter 2 of Trading in the Zone. Mark Douglas explained that trading is a psychological trap because it is the only environment on earth with absolute freedom but zero structure. Today I'm going to show you how this freedom is secretly destroying your psychology and how to fix it. Think about a normal life. From the time we are born, society gives us structure. Your parents tells you when to sleep, when to go to school, and when to study, and your boss tell you what task to complete. You do something wrong, then there are immediate consequences or boundaries to stop you. But then you enter a trading world. Suddenly there are no rules. You can buy whenever you want, sell whenever you want, risk as much money as you want. There is no boss to stop you from risking your entire account on one trade. When I was blowing up my account, I didn't realize that my brain was not built for this much freedom. I didn't create my own boundaries, so the things went wrong. I had no guardrails to save me from myself. The second point Douglas makes in chapter 2 is the dangers of random reward. In my normal job, if you do a good job, you get paid. If you do a terrible job, you get fired. There is no clear cause and effect. But in trading, you can make a complete terrible, reckless move like over leverage or ignoring your stop loss. And when there is a win, the trade just out of pure luck. This completely breaks the brain logic. This is exactly what I used to say as a revenge train. I would lose a trade, feel hurt, and think, well, the next one could be the big winner because the market can give a reward of any random second. It acts just like a slot machine. My brain became addicted to the possibility of a quick win to erase my pain. I was trading on pure emotion, not a plan. So, how do you stop the self doubt and stop blowing up accounts? The secret is internal structure because the market won't give you rules. You have to build a psychological fence around yourself. When I wanted to give up, I made one final change. I stopped looking at the market as a place of infinite freedom and start looking at it as a strict business. I wrote down non-negotiable rules, a maximum loss per day, a fixed risk per trade, and a rule that I feel angry, I had to shut off my laptop immediately. I had to replace the missing boss with my own self-discipline. Total freedom without rule is a recipe for emotional disaster. If you are stuck in the loop right now, understand that it's a natural reaction to the crazy environment. You just need to build your own rule. If you want to ride along with as we master our mind together, hit that subscribe button. In the next video, we are tricking chapter 3, where you look at absolute responsibility for your result.